Hey everybody, welcome to Gunny Sharp Talk. Gunny here. I know it's been a little while, but I'm gonna do something a little different today. I know I don't ever do unboxing videos because I just don't. This will be my first one. Brinyte Flashlights. What do we got? Brinyte Flashlight, Brinyte. They contacted me a couple weeks ago and asked me if I would review a flashlight, like a headlamp. And originally it was going to be an Amazon review, but with the YouTube video, they wanted me to know if I would do a YouTube video and do an unboxing video. I told them, sure, unboxing videos really isn't my thing, but I'll go ahead and do that. And then they want me to do a review of it, which I'll put that out in a couple weeks. I know it's been a while since I've done some videos, and I'll have a video coming out soon to explain that, and hopefully some more videos for you before too long. Anyways, let's see what I got here. Probably should move this back a little bit. See what they sent. And actually, before they contacted me, I had never really heard of them, but I thought it'd be pretty cool to do the headlamp. I do use those fishing, and sometimes in the past I've used them sharpening. That's all that's in here. Okay, see what we got in the box here. Well, thought I did that one, but I guess not. There we go. All right, have the headlamp here. It's kind of in there pretty good. Oh, sounds like there's more stuff in the bottom of this. Take these stickers off. That stickers are protective sticker over the lens. Got a charger here. Charges on the bottom there, it looks like. A couple different lights. A couple buttons here. See how all this works. The one they sent me is this HC01 Noctua. Says 3 lighting source headlamp. It's got a user's manual. I'm going to read that whole thing. Looks like they have a patented strap on it. Goes up to 1,000 lumens. Then you have a 450, a 105, and a 10, and a 450 lumen strobe, and a 105 lumen SOS. Runtime, you have 85, looks like, minutes on the turbo, so 85 minutes for the 1,000 lumen. That's pretty good. 130 minutes on high, 340 middle, and 2,700 low. The low on that one is output of 15 lumens. The high is 60. I think that 1,000 is going to adjust a little bit on the turbo, but that's the auxiliary light. And then you have the one that's 150 minutes and 470. I'll read all that later and figure that out for the review. I just want to see what you do to turn it on. Well, looks like it's the patented strap is, looks like you hold it here, pull it out, and then it's got this kind of cool little thing on the bottom here that it's like a wind up. That's kind of cool, because I always have my straps all over the place, so I kind of like that. As far as the feel, it feels all right. We'll see how this holds up. Looks like you can angle it up and down. It slides around back and forth. I'll put it on in a minute. So you hold both buttons down, and then we have a main light. I'm not going to shine it right at you guys. And then you hold it. Okay, you hold the light down, and it changes. Yeah. It's pretty bright. And then you just hit it to turn it off, and then it's got this other one here. It's like a white light and a red light. So you do the one click, it turns it on, and then you hold it down, a long press, you'll cycle it through the low, middle, high, and turbo mode. And then double click the main light switch to turn turbo mode on. Double click again, back to the previous mode. So if you're on like low and you want to turn it on high real quick, double click it, or turbo mode, which, yeah, that's pretty bright. And then triple click the main light. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and you get a strobe mode. So like triple click, turn it on, triple click, 1, 2, 3, no, 1, 2, there we go. Well, let me see, hold it down, triple click, 1, 2, 3. I'm doing something wrong here. I just did it. There you go. Triple click it, you get a strobe mode. And then I'll mess with all that later. And then you triple click it again. It's supposed to do an SOS mode. I'm blinding myself sitting there playing with it. Sorry guys, I'm just kind of learning how to turn these on. And then the other one, let's see, press it, and then a long press gives you, I guess you only got 2 modes on that. And then double click, oh, then it gives a red, and then you have a then you've got you can do an auxiliary, on the auxiliary light, the red, you can get a red flashing. Kind of like the red because for fishing, it doesn't affect your night sight. Anyways, I'm going to figure out some of this stuff. I just wanted to see what all is in the box here. Here we got a Brinyte card. It looks like a warranty registration. You get a extra 3-year warranty period. Scan the QR code to register. Yep, it is in China. Looks like www.Brinyte, BRINYTE flashlight.com. So warranty policy, you get a 30-day replacement, 2-year free repair, limited lifetime warranty. If repairs required beyond the warranty period, Brinyte will not charge fees for labor costs associated with the repair. Okay. And then it also has a little warranty card you can fill out there. And then the only other thing in there is, I guess it gives some of their other flashlights. I haven't even pulled up their website yet, honestly, guys, to see. I kind of forgot this was coming. That's the one they sent me. And then looks like you have two other headlamps that will detach. They have like a magnet to hold them. And you can see this stuff on their website, I'm sure. But that's all it is. It's like a little product brochure in there. Anyways, cool. I do like the strap so far, though. Let's see. My thing will be, that strap make it, no, it fits pretty good. Here we go. Fits tight. And then I like this feature, because some of them don't have that and don't let you turn them down. So I guess no matter what way I put it on my head, I can still turn it down. I like it for sharpening, and like I said, fishing. I really like the red light for fishing at night, so I don't mess up my night vision. A lot of times if I shine that bright light, then I'm tripping over stuff for the next 10 minutes or whatever. Oh, it slides around your head, different positions, pretty easy too. Not that I really necessarily need it to do that, but I kind of like this little wind-up thing. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure, like if you're throwing it in a tackle box or toolbox, or you're not careful with it, I think that may break off, but we'll see. Anyways, that's pretty cool. It's got these indicator lights over here that tell you how charged it is. Thought I just seen something on that. Yeah, I did. So the distance of the beam's 126 meters. It says it's impact resistant to 1 meter, so drop it more than 3 feet, it may break, but I'm gonna drop it and we'll see. We'll see over the next week or so. I'm gonna spend some time with it. Now, I'm recovering from a Achilles tear, so I'm not gonna be able to take it fishing or anything for a little bit, but I will use it some sharpening and kind of mess with it and toss it around and see what I think. Anyways, I don't know what more you need to see in unboxing. That's all that came with it. The buttons are, and around here is kind of rubber, has a rubber coating. So I don't know if that was, I'll have to look again, see if that was a drop up to 1 meter or it's good waterproof up to 1 meter, but we'll see. But that's what it looks like. Your buttons on top, charging on the bottom, and then it pulls out better this way, I guess. But pull your strap, kind of like the strap is vented, and then I said I do like that you can twist it. I'm just not, not 100% sure on how that will hold up. See there, we'll see. I'm hard on stuff sometimes, as most of us are, right? Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, comment, or whatever down below. I'll let you guys know more when I get some time with this, and we'll see how well I like it compared to maybe some others. But so far, I mean, just for what I would use it for, looks like a good light. If I was still out in the field doing biomedical stuff, I would kind of like it, especially if it's it's waterproof, but I'll give you more information on it when I find out more. I really hadn't looked into it, honestly. I planned to, and I forgot that they were even sending it. I said I would do an unboxing video and then told her that I would do a review later. So thanks for watching.